Okay, so my fall necessity is this amazing dress. I love a good checkered pattern. I love all these fall colors. It's absolutely beautiful. I just paired it with these black heels and this really fun necklace, but I think this is an absolute must-have statement for fall.
One of our favorite fall necessities is this cream poncho, which we all love. It has a great detailing on the side, fringe on the bottom, and on the side all you need to do is pair it with a cami underneath. Also has a hood, which everybody loves, and then you just pair it with either your favorite dark wash jeans or a pair of leggings.
All right, this fall you're gonna need a great solid crisscross sweater. This one is perfect. It's super lightweight, great tunic length, and it has pockets. Not only does it go good with jeans and booties, but put it with your favorite pair of leggings and a great pair of sneakers and you're good to go. One of my other favorite fall necessities is this adorable oversized vest. It reminds me of those super trendy blanket scarves that we all love. It is just super warm and cozy, yet it's kind of lightweight, so it's not gonna make you super hot. I just paired it over this basic black long sleeve tee, my favorite pair of dark jeans, and a pop of color on my shoes. I absolutely love this look. Ladies, you need this in your wardrobe.
Another great fall necessity is this super comfy gray sweater with a little bit of leopard detail. It's perfect if you want to throw it on to go run pick up the kids, go to the grocery store, if you just want to cozy up at home and read a good book.
Some of my daily essentials, a good graphic tee and an oversized jacket. You can do so many things with these. Pairing them together just happens to be my favorite, and grab a really cute fall set just to have fun. Another one of my fall necessities is this adorable oversized furry pullover. I absolutely love this. It's definitely a more casual look, but you could dress it up just a little bit with some stretch jeans and these fun little casual booties. I absolutely love this. You're going to be so warm and cute in this. Add this to your wardrobe.
Another great fall necessity is this oversized cardigan. It's perfect with all these fall colors, perfect for family pictures, or just throw it over a graphic tee and you can go run your errands for the day.
Make sure you get some camo in your fall wardrobe. It is so fun. You go straight from runway to street in a great fun casual way. And guys, it's pretty cute.